Hi, I'm Namik and welcome to Fit Like a Model. When you look at the bigger picture, I often wonder, how difficult can it be to grow a beard? Well, it's not the growing part that requires skill. In fact, that's the easiest. Everything after that though, is what I'm going to be decoding for you in today's segment, Beard 101. Everything you need to know about beards. Patience is key. Resist the urge to trim or style it very often when you're just starting to grow a beard. I'm guilty of doing this, so trust me. Just wait and give it time to grow out properly, and then pick a style that will suit your face structure. Pruning regularly after that will help you maintain it. A good quality trimmer can be just the tool you need. I'm so faithful to my trimmer because I know it would never give up on me. I also use a white tooth comb which helps me for my daily upkeep, and I would highly recommend the same to those with thick, wavy or curly hair growth. I make it a point to scrub off all the dirt from my beard regularly. Dead skin cells can get super itchy sometimes, especially in humid tropical weather like what we have in Mumbai. So grab those mild beard shampoos and conditioners to keep things clean and hygienic. A proper beard line can be the difference between looking fuller or leaner. The rule is to cut your beard 2 fingers from above your Adam's apple. So spend some quality time and money on your barber to understand the right length and shape that will suit you best. Personally, I prefer a stubble which is short and sharp, so it accentuates my jawline and it's easier to maintain it as well. I've always been a fan of the goatee, but never had the courage to go back to it after college. But if you think that's your style, nothing is less stressful or millennial than that. On the other hand, long beards can help you hide the curve of a double chin. But if you're more of a clean shave guy, distinct sideburns could be your thing to try on. Just like investing in proper tools, invest in products that help you enhance, maintain and grow your beard. I'm a huge fan of beard oils. Unlike the name, they're non-greasy and convenient. They not only work for your facial hair texture, but also help you groom your beard the way you like it. With companies like Beardo, Ustra, Beardhood and The Man Company, there are plenty of options to choose from. I would suggest that you try out multiple brands to see which suits your hair texture best, and then stick to it for eternity like I did. So guys, I hope these tips help you with your new beard look. For more pro tips, stay tuned. Until next time, this is Namik signing off. Hi, this is Namik and welcome to Fit Like a Model. In terms of stepping up our grooming game, us men have come a long way, but there's still some basics that we sometimes maybe miss out on. So let's talk about a few grooming mistakes we all make from time to time and how we can fix them. You still wash your face with soap. Soap strips all the moisture away from your skin, leaving it rough and dry. So keep those harsh soap bars away from your face and get your hands on those fruity, minty, charcoal face washes that your skin deserves. Not paying enough attention to your facial hair. Guys, I get it. Growing a beard has become a fad big enough for companies to start a wide range of products just for them. But if you're ignoring the rest of your facial hair, you're not doing it right. Trust me guys, the unibrow is not cool. In fact, it never was. Eyebrows need trimming and plucking. So grab a simple plucker and plow away. Not moisturizing enough. While you might not see it now, your teenage skin is not going to last forever. I started using a moisturizer when I received it as a gift. And I cannot emphasize enough on how quickly it has become part of my skincare essentials. Hydration isn't just through water, though that's important too. But moisturizing could help your skin go that extra mile and look healthy. Your deodorant hasn't changed since college. I see you smirking, and that's not cool. Deodorants need an upgrade with changing needs and lifestyles. So invest in something long-lasting and efficient. What I would suggest is to have that one deodorant that keeps you smelling fresh all day, and invest in a good perfume for special occasions. This perfume can go on to be your signature scent. You only wear sunscreens on holidays. Sunscreen is an all-weather requirement, whether you step out of the house or not. Personally, I never used sunscreen on a daily basis until I read about all the benefits. Sunburns can be brutal. The harmful UV rays of the sun can cause skin damage, pigmentation, and premature aging. So consider sunscreen more of a need than a want in this case. Unsightly nails. Monthly manicure and pedicure sessions are for everyone. If you're equating them to a more feminine tradition, honestly guys, grow up. Unkempt nails and undergrowths can be a huge put-off and is a mark of an unhygienic person. It's as simple as grabbing a nail trimmer and snipping away. Remember guys, there are no shortcuts to a good grooming regime. And if you feel great, it shows. This is me, Namik, signing off until next time.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.